In this video, I'm going to show you how to reorder and nest docs using EazyDocs. You can easily reorder docs, even if they have child docs. For example, let's move a section from the top to a new position. To do this, hover over the doc you want to move. On the left side, you'll see a drag handle icon. Click and hold it. Once you're holding the icon, drag the doc to your desired location and then release the click. Just like that, the doc has been moved and reordered. Now let's move a doc into the Epic section. First, expand the section where you want to place the doc. Then, drag your selected doc into the desired spot and release it. Let's do one more example. This time, we'll nest a doc under another doc. To nest it, simply drag the doc slightly to the right. A down arrow will appear, indicating that it will become a child doc. Then, just drop it in place, and that's how you reorder and nest docs with EazyDocs.